I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing things a little bit different. Usually I film videos cleaning my entire house, but today I'm going to be deep cleaning my master bathroom and tackling some spaces that I forget to clean a lot. I basically started from the top and worked my way down, and the first thing that I wanted to do was dust all of the corners near the ceiling with my Swiffer duster to make sure that there weren't any cobwebs or dust. And I also wanted to clean my light fixture in my bathroom. For some reason, that is a place I don't ever think of. If you have been subscribed to my channel for a while now, you know that my husband just redid this entire bathroom. It was a dark brown color and also had wallpaper in it. He completely remodeled it, painted the entire room, replaced the faucet, replaced the shower curtain and the shower liner. He put up chair rail and also did the box framing on the bottom half of the wall.
Be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive.
Some of these areas don't look dirty until you're like right up on it. The vanity is a great example. It was dusty, it had a little bit of toothpaste here and there, and I also saw what I thought might be either makeup or dirt, probably from my hands when I'm opening and closing these cabinets.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
I am using Lysol wipes for the sink and the toilet, and then I'm using my Clorox toilet wand to clean the inside of the toilet. This is another one of those areas that I forget about, and that is the very top of the tub where there is a little ledge. Luckily, this wasn't too dusty or dirty, but it's always good to get up there and clean that off.
All night out on the roof, tell everybody I do.
the inside of the tub is one of my least favorite things to do. It is so time consuming, I feel like, but then when I think about it, it really only takes about 10 minutes or less. But it's just one of those things that I dread. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner and then using a washcloth to wipe everything down.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
One thing that needed desperate attention was my doors. I am wiping them down with Clorox wipes. You could just see the dirt from everyone's hands, and then the dust builds up on the door inside the little areas that I'm cleaning. I also wanted to sanitize the doorknobs because this is also very important.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
Now it is time for the floors, and I'm starting off with my dry Swiffer mop and getting all of the dust and hair off the floor, and then I show you a quick view of what was picked up. And then I'm going in with my Swiffer wet jet to get the floors nice and clean.
Down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
The last thing I'm going to do is wipe off all of the baseboards and the box framing. I use a lot of products on my hair, and I know that those products build up on these surfaces, so I wanted to get all of this wiped off.
Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you next time.